How to get notes feature on Instagram. The very first step is to make sure that your application Instagram is up to date. In order to check it out, head over to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Head over to this application. So right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application has not been updated to the latest version. So first of all, you need to update the application in order to get the notes feature on Instagram. Once your application is up to date, tap on open. Swipe left and head over to your inbox section. Right here at the top left, you will get to see the option of your note. Tap on it. In this section, you will be able to share your thoughts to the people that you are connected on Instagram. But if this feature is not showing up on your account, then what you want to do is go back and head over to your profile. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Head over to settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on creator tools and controls. So right here you need to switch from your personal account to professional account. Switching to professional account might fix the issue that you have been facing, and a note feature might also be available to you. So tap on switch account type. Right here you should see the option of switch to professional account. I don't have that option because I'm already on my professional account. Well, once you are on your professional account, you will definitely see the note feature on Instagram. But if it still doesn't work for you, then what you want to do is go back and scroll down to the bottom. Move into the option help. Tap on report a problem. So in this section, you need to write the issue that you have been facing on Instagram. You need to write that you are not being able to get the note feature even your application is up to date. Once you have written those things, tap on send at the top right corner. After a while, the Instagram support will definitely come up with the solution for you and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to get note feature on Instagram. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.